And now let's get into our Ocean Bowl Games 2022 halftime report, presented by All Sewn Up with a few of our other sponsors, Beta Phi Omega, Caesars Pizza, and Patriot Tech. We're going to take a brief second to look at some dancing.
This kid,
I got 20 on him.
Let me tell you something.
Nah,
Look,
20 is crazy.
This one, he was our first person.
He was 30.
That's why
was-
I said 20 on him. Nobody else could really beat that.
What?
Nah, I still think Chris got there.
Oh, he's
I
standing
think he
there.
ready to get
Hold on,
32. Watch.
give it time.
I got a feeling.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the orange jersey like I told you. Get
It's the footwork for me. It's the footwork.
He is having the ball. He said,
Yeah,
you
he's
can't
wild.
mess with me.
Okay.
He said, you can't mess with me. He said, Yo, listen, I feel like he got extra airtime. They were like,
Yeah, I
yo.
might have to take some
He was
class
like,
with him,
bro.
man.
Alright. Oh, dang. Okay.
He was ready.
I didn't know what's happening.
What did he just take?
yeah.
I don't know. Something was on the ground.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, slow walk it.
Okay.
Yes,
He gave him
him
the smoothness. He's like, maybe I dug it, maybe I won't. Maybe I heel toe, maybe I won't.
He's definitely didn't anticipate.
Okay, slide.
I think the beat was changing.
He was like,
Yeah,
don't let me
Yeah,
slide.
He's having a good time. Hey.
I think a lot of these kids were having a good time. They really took this time to relax and really feel themselves.
I like it, man.
The dance
Good
moves.
break after all the stress, too.
Yes.
Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Just dance on your
It was great
your
creativity
frustration
being
away.
shown here.
For sure.
Definitely.
Right?
Hey, he got low with it. Oh.
Then you stop? What happened, bro?
That's it. Keep going.
Hey!
What's that dance called?
I just call it the
You know what? He
Fortnite.
said, I'm going to give y'all a little bit.
I
Y'all
call it
haven't
the floor.
I call it the Fortnite.
The dance for Fortnite.
So we're waiting for the next song to cue up so he can get ready. Okay.
Me
Song's
personally,
on.
they should have played the Cupid Shuffle.
Song's on. Oh,
Okay.
break dance. Oh, yes. Okay. Second kid to break dance.
All right.
It's the second one.
I'm glad that kids know what that is.
Okay. You doing the bell bit, the bow. Okay. Okay.
He feeling himself.
Having the ball. I feel like this is my guy.
Let's go. Oh, that's
I feel like this
that
was
part.
him.
Let's
I
go.
feel like this
He's
was
like,
him.
let's go.
Brandon.
It was a spin move for me all day. He was all the way down. I mean, he walking.
You can't make a bet and then change mid.
That's all we can.
What was it bet?
We all
You
should
bet
have
$20
known.
the first
Okay. Start. Okay.
That's
Yeah,
what
we
I told
all
you.
should have known when he came into the frame with his hand on his chin.
But that was the first half. Now what? It's not over till it's over. It's still anybody's game. The struggles are real. It can be tough out there as well as in here. Mentally, physically, emotionally. But you can do this. You got this. That's what Odin, Jay, Oria, and Zach always say to themselves in the series. But who has the brains, the gifts, the leadership, the heart to take it to the end zone? Who is going to lean and rely on their new friends or teammates? Who will win? Ocean Bowl Games Baltimore 2022. a championship and prizes. Oh my gosh, let's go! We got this.
Thanks for watching. We will be right back. Contact us, like this, and subscribe. STEAM ESPORTS, where kids have fun, playing, learning, and creating. Let's go.
When I say steam your, you say dreams. Steam your dreams. Steam your dreams.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.